Definitely one of my favorite videos that we've posted lately, so enjoy it. Thanks to our editor Matt for hitting all the details to make this video awesome and having Seti's help filming. Our team is growing, the Karma Speed team. We just launched our second car giveaway. This thing has a turbo, 100x entries right now if you're watching it the first week it came out. KarmaSpeed.com, see what we're up to, get entered to win. This thing is gonna be crazy. It has a great story. And if you're curious who won the Mazda Speed 3 that we gave away, go over to our Instagram, the Karma Speed Instagram. We have the full 12-minute video of us talking to Andrew, the winner. Really cool little story and video we have of him seeing his reaction to it. So thanks so much for stopping by. Let's get in the video. This one's a blast, and shout out to AWE for the support on Chris's Beamer. And we're back with another BMW video featuring Chris. Where should we start?
One thing that everyone's been waiting for a couple months. It's been out of stock. It's in stock now.
Keys Motorsports, baby. We're back in stock. What do we got in there?
Got a rear valence for the 340i.
We are going to be installing the AWE exhaust and the carbon fiber rear valence on the 340i that we've been working on.
Might be easier with the eye.
It's like clipped on that by those cans. Right above your hand where it is. It's right in front of you.
Oh, this. I'm like looking for those little baby Exacto ones.
Oh, yeah.
Tags for the win. I'm stockpiling on those.
There you have it, folks. It's back in stock. We got that carbon fiber. Show us what it would look like on the bumper in that position. Yeah, that's gonna look nice.
Yeah.
And where the exhaust tip would go.
Oh yeah. Fire!
Sauce that down. I'll turn off the lights. Alright, we can set this one off to the side, see what we got next.
Don't break.
Really quick break from today's episode. I just want to let you know that we're building our team here and our company Karma Speed. We're all about sharing motorsports fun. We did a Mazda Speed 3 giveaway that just ended. We have a lot of things planned, and with your guys' support, we can do more and more fun things, build some more experiences for different people out there. A simple way to kind of get grandfathered in at the cheapest possible rate. We have the Karma Driving Club. You get a free t-shirt, you can get the lifetime membership, and every time we do a giveaway, the price is gonna go up. There's a couple different benefits on there, including getting 10% off the store. Always, you're getting early access to some other things. So with the link in the description, you can support our team making awesome content to share with you guys, building out cars to give away. We have the Karma Speed YouTube channel where we're going to be building the giveaway cars, and then have videos like this on my channel. So make sure you check out both channels, KarmaSpeed.com, the Karma Driving Club. We'd really appreciate your support. We're having a blast, and it seems like you guys are enjoying all the Karma Speed growth, and I'm getting a lot of good feedback, so I'm super duper thankful. But let's get back in the episode. Thanks so much. KarmaSpeed.com. See you there. Let's do the big one first.
Big one.
Let's do the big one. Nah, yeah, let's do the small.
Courtesy of AWE. Dang, it's heavy. Big boy pipes. This is our mid pipe. Or this gets rid of your resonator.
Hurry, what's next? What's next?
I want to see. Some more pipage, you know? More pipes, more pipes. Welds? Pretty solid.
What's this?
Swag?
Oh, a lollipop?
No way. Oh.
Is there two?
We could share the same one.
Share it. Whoa, let's just...
Yeah, a bunch of couplers. Your install guide. Just to scan away, scan that if you want to know how to install this on your 340i.
For racing track use only.
Taking it to the track this weekend. Little tattoo, or how does that work? I think it's a little decal for the car, a little sucker for the boys.
Alright, for the big box.
First things first, we got a box. Surprise our tips. We'll hold that for later.
Some cool looking shapes.
I think this is where you mount your valve control units so that way you don't throw any codes. Big ol' muffler, boys.
Is that the only muffler?
Think so. Tip time. Went with the big Bertha tips. What are these?
102 millimeter?
Black finish, black chrome finish. Just think of all the flames that are gonna come out of here. Wait, did they send us another lollipop? We got scammed.
Dang. Psych. Yeah,
Oh!
right here.
Now I got 2, baby.
Let's go.
Some hardware to probably mount to your tips. These are beautiful. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Sick. Another tattoo right here. I think that's it.
Little 180 technology. Get rid of that drone. It's basically like noise canceling headphones, but in a muffler technology. That's all you need to know. Welcome to the next morning at the Karma Speed garage. It's time to install this thing. We got some Torx bits already right here. Warmed up. T50 for this guy. And then we got some clamps, which are, boom, first try, 13 millimeter. And then from there, we need our exhaust hanger tool. Chris, if you want to start ripping on this thing, see if that thing will come off.
Took some persuasion, but we got it out. Hot! Damn!
Holy cow.
Easy stuff with the power tools. Like butter.
Headed to the back before we use our awesome exhaust hanger tool from Amazon. We can check out that link down below. We're always adding to it. We have some sort of clip for the valves. Comes out really easy.
I think they make this easier.
10 years later, rusted out. Now my tool is stuck. Oh, there we go.
Chris getting a full workout over there.
Oh my lord. Holy. Good morning, everybody. Chris went to the gym when he left my house last night, and we took him back bright and early.
We're back. 1, 2, 3 10 mils. And I'm assuming 2 8s.
8 millimeter and 8 in the morning. Wow, how easy.
The easiest.
That's amazing. I'll get the new one.
Oh.
I'll let Chris do the honors, sorry.
Yeah.
Let me line you up over here.
The bolt through there.
Clean, look at that freaking duckbill to this. Sheesh. My goal is to have this done by the time Randall gets here. How many dudes does it take to install a Keys Motorsports rear valence? Not 2. Just 1 if you're wondering. Ta-da! We're ready for the exhaust. Let's get to the fun part now. It looks nice. Let's make it sound nice. There's a lot of pieces on this exhaust rather than that one. That's just one big heavy piece.
You gotta remove your old little computer for the valves. Tells the car when the valves are open and closed. And then you can reinstall it onto the other exhaust. Gotta put this guy here. I'll see if I can use the old hardware, which looks like, nope.
Yeah, I think it says.
Alright. Put this guy on your lap like it's Christmas.
Christmas every day.
For real. Cam still has some presents over in the corner.
What the heck is this for?
This is for right here so that the exhaust hangers don't move. AWE things right here. You don't really see this anywhere else. So this goes right here. So when the exhaust hanger is sitting here and you get it adjusted right on your bumper, let's say here or here, you like it here, but you don't want it to slide, you slide this all the way down once I loosen it and it holds that hanger in that one spot.
There you go.
Cool. Exhaust clamps from AWE, 15 millimeter.
Almost like if you've done this before.
It's just adult Legos is all. The difference between this and Legos is Legos you actually need the directions. Chris, you want to slide that daddy on? That's definitely not it. YouTube University.
Yeah.
Hey!
Sure.
Sick shirt, let's go!
I almost wore mine today too, bro. That would.
Wait, you have the same one?
Yeah, you
let's
remember
go.
they sent an extra?
They didn't even do laundry.
I know, that's exactly what I was thinking. I was like, I'm out of shirts. I'm gonna wear the same one again.
Heard you wanted to sleep in today.
A little bit. 4:30, hang out for a little bit, and then I fell back asleep.
So did Cam.
I was asleep, they had to call me, not gonna lie. So the order you're gonna do this, lock washer, big washer, and then slide it through. Do a little washer, put a little washer on this side.
Oh, you want to walk that?
Loctite,
Oh yeah.
cross thread it. So we can leave this loose. I don't know how easy it's gonna be to get up in there. Let's just leave it loose, and then if worst case scenario, we disconnect it here. I just want to give us that play for the tips, you know?
Yeah.
That's why we should have snugged her. Wait, where did that one come from?
Wait, one fell off here.
Just build it on the car.
Oh, I'm building it.
Alright.
Look at that.
Start her up. Oh.
Bingo.
Another workout for Chris.
Yeah. All up her body today, man.
You know what you're doing in here?
How many guys does it take to install an exhaust?
5 now. Falling back up. Alright, then the small one there.
Yeah.
I don't like this. Wish I put it on the other side.
Good.
Nice. She a little off.
Oh, this one just needs to be stuck. We're gonna run it like this, fitment right here. Look from the back, it's looking nice.
Jokes.
Fitment's solid right here.
That's what they say when you're dumping out the back, you know?
Where are the keys at?
It's all over the place. You got the wing.
There it is, we can hear it now. B58. Is that a Supra? Supra!
Go again.
Sound a lot different already? It's like not drony at all.
Yeah, no.
There's no
that
drone.
was my main concern. How an exhaust that just drones.
Oh, it's chill. Sounds good.
It's a little bit quieter, but not quiet to where it's like kind of disappointed. This is kind of perfect.
This is not embarrassing at all.
No.
Because you get an old lady in here or something, grandma. She ain't gonna say nothing. She'll be like, wow, that sounds pretty good.
That was a good old lady impersonation, Cam.
I'll beat on it on this one. Full throttle. Come on, lady.
Come on.
Let me get my exhaust.
Come on, Nevada.
Oh yeah.
Ended it.
Nice. I like it a lot.
It's solid. It's not too loud at all. And then from the outside, it just bonkers.
Yeah, it's probably really loud. Let's go back home and grab another car.
Sounds like a fart cannon on speaker, but
No, it sounds good. Alright, a couple questions for Chris. Do we want more loud?
I feel like it could be louder just based off driving it for 20 minutes. I think it was solid. Probably outside the car, it's a lot louder than I can hear it.
It's plenty loud outside, but the inside it just feels quiet.
As long as we don't get any drones, that's all I care about, you know?
Yeah, so intake will add some noise. Okay, this is like a level that if you were in your 50s and you want to have fun, but you're like, hey, I don't want any of my family members to notice a difference, this will do it. But then the boys can hear it plenty loud from the outside. It's very chill inside. The fitment took a while. That was really the only other thing that we messed with. And then our carbon rear valence from Keys also looks really, really nice. If you guys want either of these, check the links down in the description. Chris, do you have any other thoughts on this exhaust?
I think it's a solid setup. I love the black tips, black chrome, ties on with the diffuser we got here as well. It's coming along.
If you're wondering if the 102mm tips are like large, they're not. They're fitting. They're still like proportional.
You can't fit a whole fist in there, so.
Next up on this car, we need a catless downpipe. We want to get an intake. We want to get a tune from Marin, who knows these engines very, very well. Our friend in Phoenix also. Let us know what you guys want to see in the comments. We appreciate you stopping by. Chris, have a good day at work.
Thanks
for stopping by. If you enjoyed this video, check out the links below to more content. Also, if you want to see us install some really satisfying taillights, we have a video you can click on right here. The GTS taillights, really cool motion. You'll want to check it out and you'll find it very interesting.